Welcome to the Trader's Toolbox series and your guide to mastering the tools that shape the market. Right now you're looking at a Thinkorswim layout filled with many powerful indicators and studies, each designed to give traders an edge. In each episode, we'll take a deep dive into one of these and many other game-changing tools and studies. We'll zoom in, strip away the noise, and show you exactly why so many pros use these tools, why it should matter to you, and how you can use them to make smarter trades. Let's begin your journey on your way to greater profits as we join the $1 Million Margin Club and their introduction to today's tool. The Buy-Sell Oscillator is a refined tool tailored to boost efficiency and precision in day trading for both novice and expert traders alike. This indicator is crafted to deliver instant detailed analysis of market momentum, providing traders with essential insights to gauge market trends swiftly. With clear momentum indicators, the Buy-Sell Oscillator graphically represents a strong possibility of a reversal of buying and selling momentum through vivid green and red arrows. The oscillator calculates its data on a 7-period increment using the relative strength index as the momentum crosses key levels. Green arrows signal strong buying momentum when the buy-sell oscillator value dips below 40, while red arrows indicate strong selling momentum when the buy-sell oscillator exceeds 60. Both arrows will alert you as the candle is still open and moving on your chart, allowing you time to enter or exit a trade before the candle closes. With visual signals, traders can immediately discern possible shifts in buying or selling pressure, allowing for rapid decision-making critical in successful short-term trading. A dynamic feature of this groundbreaking trading tool allows the experienced trader to adjust the length of the levels that the indicator uses to calculate the buying and selling pressure, along with the color of the arrows signifying the potential reversal. The buy-sell oscillator is designed to take the guesswork out of trading by dynamically representing the interplay of buying and selling momentum directly on the price chart. The buy-sell oscillator uses the following calculations. First, determine gain which is equal to the absolute difference between the current and previous close price of the candle on the chart time increment you are using. Then, determine loss which is equal to the absolute difference between the previous and current close price of the candle on the chart time increment you are using. Next, calculate momentum strength, which equals average gain divided by average loss, or is equal to 100 if average loss equals 0. Finally, the buy-sell oscillator value is calculated by taking 100 and subtracting the result of 100 divided by the sum of 1 and the momentum strength. This mathematical formula assures that the buy-sell oscillator is a valuable indicator for any trader who wants to capitalize on short-term trend or momentum price movements. This indicator, along with other great indicators, studies, tools and strategy books, are part of the Trader Toolbox series. No matter where you are in your journey, this series, along with their groundbreaking guidebooks designed by professional traders, has been created to help beginner and seasoned traders alike reach the next level of profitability and are available exclusively at the $1 Million Margin Club. Visit our website, level up your trading, and join the profitable traders at the $1 Million Margin Club.